Good day, children. Sairam. Welcome to your new voices class. In the last class, we had done the textbook activities. Do you remember that we had done the textbook activities? Yes. So today, let us start with the new lesson. But before starting with the new lesson, we are going to learn the new words so that it will be easy for you to read the lesson. So, get ready with your notebook, pencil for noting down the new words. Let us start drilling the new words. Children, you are going to repeat after me, okay? S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. S-M-E-L-L, smell. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Cow dung. C-O-W-D-U-N-G, cow dung. C-O-W-D-U-N-G, cow dung. C-O-W-D-U-N-G, cow dung. Socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. S-O-C-K-S, socks. Yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy. Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy. Luchi aloo. L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O, Luchi aloo. L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O, Luchi aloo. L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O, Luchi aloo. Next word, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B-J-A-M-U-N-S, gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B-J-A-M-U-N-S, gulab jamuns. G-U-L-A-B-J-A-M-U-N-S, gulab jamuns. Hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. Next word, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Next word, here. H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. Bad. B-A-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. B-A-D, bad. Dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Coming. C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. Yucky. Y-U-C-K-Y, yucky. Y-U-C-K-Y, yucky. Y-U-C-K-Y, yucky. Mucky. M-U-C-K-Y, mucky. M-U-C-K-Y, mucky. M-U-C-K-Y, mucky. From, F-R-O-M, from. F-R-O-M, from. F-R-O-M, from. Lovely, L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. Now we'll revise the words once, okay? Number 1, smell, S-M-E-L-L, smell. Number 2, flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Number 3, cow dung, C-O-W-D-U-N-G, cow dung. Number 4, socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks. Number 5, yummy, Y-U-M-M-Y, yummy. Number 6, luchi aloo, L-U-C-H-I-A-L-O-O, luchi aloo. Number 7, shop, S-H-O-P, shop. Number 8, here, H-E-R-E, here. Number 9, sweet, S-W-E-E-T, sweet. Number 10, gulab jamuns, G-U-L-A-B-J-A-M-U-N-S, gulab jamuns. Number 11, coming, C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. Number 12, lovely, L-O-V-E-L-Y, lovely. Number 13, yucky, Y-U-C-K-Y, yucky. Number 14, mucky, M-U-C-K-Y, mucky. Number 15, dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Number 16, bad, B-A-D, bad. Number 17, from, F-R-O-M, from. Number 18, hot, H-O-T, hot. Now we have finished drilling the words, new words. Okay. Now we'll start with framing the sentence. Children, you know what is frame sentence? You know, no? Yes. I'll be giving you one word, and on that word you have to frame the sentence. You have to make one sentence. Okay. So first word is lovely. So you have to make sentence or frame sentence on lovely. See, I framed the sentence on lovely. Shreya has a lovely doll. Shreya has a lovely doll. Now you can see we have to frame sentence on lovely, right? The word is lovely. So the word lovely should be there in the sentence. If the word doesn't come in the sentence, that means your sentence is wrong. It is incorrect. It is not correct. Okay? So the given word should be in your sentence. Shreya has a lovely doll. Number 2, yummy. Yummy means what? Tasty. The cake was yummy. The cake was yummy. Number 3, sweet. Sugar is sweet. Sugar is sweet. Number 4, hot. Hot. The tea is very hot. The tea is very hot. And number 5, flowers. I saw many flowers in the garden. I saw many flowers in the garden. So we had framed the sentences also. Now we are going to start with the lesson. First I am going to ask you few questions. Okay? And then you are going to answer my questions. Okay? Ready? Okay. Now I am going to show you something. Okay? And you are going to tell me what is that. See, can you see what is this? Can you see? I'm showing you something here on the screen. You can see. Can you tell me what is this? Huh? Yes, it is incense stick. What is it? Incense stick. Incense stick means this incense sticks we burn in front of God. When we pray to God, when we do puja, we use this incense stick. Okay? So it is also known as agarbatti. Okay? So what is this? It is incense stick. How is the fragrance of the stick? Fragrance means the smell. Okay. So how is the fragrance of this stick? Can you tell me how is it? It is lovely. No, the fragrance is lovely. Lovely fragrance, right? Next. How do you know that it is a lovely fragrance? How do you know that the fragrance or the smell is lovely? Come on, tell me. Yes, because we smelled with the nose. Because we smelled this incense stick with the nose. That's why we came to know that it is a lovely fragrance. Okay. So children, our nose help us to tell the smell is good smell or bad smell. So because of the nose, we'll come to know that the smell is good smell or bad smell. Smell tells us guess the taste of things. The smell of something also tells us how far we are from it. Smell tells us guess the taste of things. The smell of something also tells us how far we are from it. So in today's lesson number 3, the sweet smell, we are going to know about the different types of smells. In this lesson, a little boy was sitting outside his house. He smells a sweet smell coming from somewhere. So he goes in search from where the smell was coming. First, he comes to a garden. There he smells the lovely smell of flowers. But it was not the sweet smell he was searching for. So he goes to another place. Where does he come? He comes to the cow shed. There he smells the bad smell of cow dung. Then he comes to his room. He smells the dirty smell of his socks. Then he goes to the kitchen. There he smells the yummy smell of hot luchi aloo. But that was not the smell he was searching for. So he went out again in search of the smell. He came near a sweet shop and came to know from where the sweet smell was coming. Yes, children? So, do you want to know from where the sweet smell was coming? Huh? Yes, no? So, you'll come to know in the next period. Okay? Till that, what you're going to do, I'm going to give you the home assignment. What you're going to do in that? Write and learn the new words 3 times. So, in the beginning, we had drilled the new words, right? Those words, each word you are going to write 3 times in your notebook. And you are going to learn those words also. Okay? Now we will have dictation test of poem number 1, The Morning Rush. So children, did you learn the words for the dictation? I had already informed you before that I am going to take dictation today. So did you learn the words? Very good. So children, quickly be ready with your notebook, pencil and eraser. Come on, get your book, pencil and eraser and come back soon. I'll give you some time to bring the book. Are you ready with the book? Good. Very good. Children, can you see two pages on the screen? Left side is double line and the right side is single line. Okay, left side page is of double line and right side is of single line. I know that some of you are writing in the double line book and some of you are writing in the single line. That's why I had shown you this pages, two different types of pages, so that you can write the date, the topic and the numbers properly. Okay, so what you are going to do, you are going to write first today's date on the left hand side. On the left hand side of your page, you will write today's date. See, I had written the date also. Okay, I had shown the date also. So today's date you will write. Finish writing the date. Then write the subject, New Voices at the top. And on the red line, you will write poem number 1, The Morning Rush. Be quick. And then write the numbers 1 to 10 below it. 1 to 10. 10 numbers you are going to write. So if you are writing in the double line book, you will no need of leaving the lines. But if you are writing in the single line book, you need to leave one line. Okay. If you don't have place to write number 10, then you can write number 10 beside on the right hand side. Continue in the right hand side. Okay, ready? Okay. Now each word I will repeat 3 times. I am going to repeat each word. One word I will repeat 3 times. All the words should start with small letter. Don't write capital letter in the beginning or in between also. If you begin the word with capital letter, then even if the spelling is correct, then also you'll get it wrong. So children, don't start with the capital letter. Start all the words with small letters. Okay. So shall we start? Okay. So you are going to listen carefully. I am going to read the words 3 times and you are going to write the spellings. Listen carefully and write the spellings. Okay. Shall we start? Are you all ready? Okay. Now number 1. See number 1. Write on number 1. School. 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 Write the spelling of school. Over. Number 2. Breakfast. Number 2. Breakfast. Breakfast. Number 3. Brush. 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 Number 4. Tap. 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 Over. Number 5. Hair. 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 Next number 6. Time. 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 Number 7. Gobble. 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 Finished? Number 7 finished. Gobble. Number 8. Wash. 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 Number 9. Teeth. 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 Finished? Now the last word, number 10. Mirror. 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 So did you all finish writing all the 10 words? Now I am going to repeat these words once more. Just check whether you have written all the words or not. Okay. So one by one I am going to say the words. Number 1 is school. 2 breakfast. 3 brush. 4 tap. 5 hair. 6 time. 7 gobble. 8 wash. 9 teeth. And 10 mirror. Okay. So did you all finish writing all the 10 words? Good. No cheating work. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to show you the spellings. Okay. What words we had done today, dictation words. I am going to show the spellings. Now what you are going to do, you are going to, on your own you are going to check. Okay, your dictation. You are going to check your dictation. So if your spelling is right, you have written the correct spelling, what you are going to do? You are going to put a tick. Okay. And if your spelling is wrong, then what will you do? Cross. Okay. Is it clear? But no cheating work. Okay. What you are going to do? If you have done the mistake, then you are going to put a cross. If the spelling is correct, then you will put a tick. But you will not rub and write. If your spelling is wrong, then you will rub and write. No cheating work. Okay. Wrong means wrong. Right means right. Okay. Shall we start? Okay. See the first one. School. SCHOOL. Check your spelling. If it is correct, put a tick. If the spelling is wrong, one word is missing, you will put a cross. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Breakfast. 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 Number 3. Brush. 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 If it is the spelling is correct, put a tick. Spelling is wrong, put a cross. Number 4. Tap. 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 Number 5. Hair. 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 Number 6. Time. 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 Number 7. Gobble. 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 Number 8. Wash. 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 Number 9. Teeth. 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 And number 10 is mirror. 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 So did you all finish checking? So no cheating work now. You didn't rub and write again now? Good. Good children. Now what are you going to do, So these words are of 10 marks. Okay, 10 words, 10 marks. So one word carries 1 mark. Okay, so what you will do now? You are going to draw a line and then write below that you will write 10. Means that the dictation is of 10 marks. Now suppose you have got full all right, all the spellings right. Okay, so what will you do? How many ticks you got? 10. So write 10 and give a star. Okay. And suppose if you have got out of 10, you have got out of 10 if you have got 5 tick. How many? 5 tick. So how many marks will you give? Will give 5 marks. So how many ticks you are getting? That many marks you are going to write about 10. Okay, count those ticks only and write. Is it clear? Now suppose if you are getting out of 10, if you are getting only 1 tick. Okay, so what will you write? Write 1. Means only one answer is right. Okay, now what you are going to do, if you have got full right, 10 marks, full 10 marks, then no need of doing the corrections. But if you have got, and which words you have got wrong, those words you are going to write again how many times? 3 times. Each word 3 times. So wrong words you write again 3 times and learn those words. So when there is next dictation, you learn the words very nicely. Then you will get full marks. Okay. So we will meet in the next period. Bye. Have a good day, children.